Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nexo Exchange, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Nexo Exchange, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Nexo official website by typing in the URL, nexo.io. Once on the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be redirected to a new page where you can find options for creating your account. Choose the option that suits you best, either signing up with an email address or using a mobile number. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address and create a strong password. For mobile registration, input your phone number and follow the prompts to receive a verification code. After entering the verification code, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Once your account is set up, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to verify your account. Now, log into your Nexo account using your email or phone number and the password you created. After logging in, complete your profile by providing any additional required information. Next, set up two-factor authentication for added security. This can usually be done in the account settings under the Security tab. Once your account is secure, you can explore the dashboard. Look for the deposit option to fund your account. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit and follow the given instructions. Make sure to copy the wallet address accurately when transferring funds. After your account is funded, you can start trading or using Nexo's services. To trade, navigate to the trading section of the platform. Select the pair you wish to trade and input the amount. Confirm your trade and monitor your portfolio as it updates. Familiarize yourself with the Nexo features, including earning interest on your holdings. Take your time to explore the educational resources provided by Nexo. This will help you understand the best practices for using the platform effectively. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and set up your Nexo Exchange account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.